You're listening to Beyond the Box, Unlocking Creative Mortgage Solutions. I'm your host and guide, Brett Clark. We're going for smarter strategies, creative financing, and solutions that get deals done. Whether you're a realtor, loan officer, or investor, it's time to think big, act bold, and close more deals. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the first episode of Beyond the Box, Unlocking Creative Mortgage Solutions in 2025. I am so excited for this year, and this year is going to be an amazing year with incredible opportunities. So, before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank each and every single one of you, the realtors, loan officers, and listeners, for your support through 2024. It was a year of growth, challenges, and wins for myself, and I'm thrilled to continue this journey with you. This year, we're taking it to the next level. We're bringing you more tools, strategies, and inspirations to grow your business and better serve your clients. One of the other things that I'm going to be bringing in is a lot more conversations between me and other leading experts. This is going to be a great year to tune in and get those tips for yourself. So let's go 2025. This is the year we kick it all off, but we need to start out with why is creative financing even more critical than it was last year? The market is still facing some big challenges. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen the way that things are going, high interest rates. We still have limited inventory, and conventional guidelines are still more tight. For many clients, these barriers have really become insurmountable, and that's where creative financing comes in. Here's what's exciting. Non-QM lending continues to grow and now represents over 5% of the mortgage market. We're seeing more exceptions, and we're seeing more growth on ways that we can bring more ideas to your clients. That's a clear sign that more borrowers are seeking solutions beyond the traditional. Whether it's self-employed clients with fluctuating income, gig workers managing multiple streams, or seasoned investors looking for their next opportunity, creative financing unlocks doors that conventional loans simply can't. And it's not just about closing deals. This is about creating trust and being the expert that clients turn to when they think all hope is lost. This year, your role is the problem solver, and it's more important than it ever has. That's why non-QM products like DSCR, bank statement loans, and asset utilization will lead the way into 2025 and will explode your business. Imagine being the person who knows exactly how to turn no's into yeses, and that's where I am here to help you achieve. So let's give you the tools to help your clients reach their dreams and your business grow this year. Now let's break down the biggest opportunities with creative financing in 2025. This is a transformative year for leveraging new strategies, expanding your reach, closing more deals, and truly differentiating yourself in the market. We're going to start with the realtors. This is your chance to expand your buyer pool and close deals that were previously out of your reach. Whether lack of understanding or lack of having that partner that you could turn to, think about all the self-employed clients who have been struggling with conventional guidelines. Products like bank statement loans offer this opportunity to qualify them and actually get them into their houses while still allowing those much needed tax breaks and write-offs. And when it comes to investors, the DSCR loan allows them to grow their portfolios without relying on personal income verification or the 10 property cap that a lot of my investors have started to run into. Imagine how empowering it is to be able to tell your clients, yes, I can help you secure financing. You just need to talk to my preferred lender or my creative lending expert instead of just saying no. That's not just a sell. That's creating a relationship built on trust and results that they can then work their portfolios with you and refer you to their friends and family, which we all know is the easiest form of referrals, and the fastest way to grow a business is through referral business. Loan officers, creative financing is your secret weapon. Offering non-QM solutions like asset utilization or DSCR doesn't just help you close the loans, but it positions you in your market as the go-to expert for tough scenarios. High net worth clients, for example, don't want to sift through stacks of documentation to prove their income, and you and I both know that we don't want to sift through all those either. An asset utilization loan can turn weeks of stress into a streamlined approval process. And meanwhile, DSCR loans are perfect for investors focused on ROI. By solving problems that other lenders shy away from, you're not just another option, you're the solution. And when you're the solution, you're the first call they make. And let's not forget any of the investors out there. Creative financing opens your doors to portfolio growth that traditional financing simply can't. With DSCR loans, you're not limited to the traditional 10 property cap imposed by conventional lenders. Instead, you're able to scale your investments, focus on maximizing ROI, and tap into those benefits of short-term rental markets. Think about the potential properties financed through DSCR loans where rental income, not personal income, drives approval. This is huge for you going forward and being able to continue to get into this market. This flexibility allows you as investors to build wealth faster, optimize cash flow, and seize opportunities in competitive markets, the possibilities that just weren't there in the past and now they're within reach. Whether you're the realtor expanding your client base or your loan officer looking to stand out, this is a great way to be eager and to grow into 2025. But don't worry, coming into 2025, I have the tips for you. Here's some action steps, some different tips that you can go through to get it done. First, focus on education. First, take the time to learn about the non-QM products. This podcast is a great way to do it. The book that I just released is another way to get dangerous. For example, the bank statement loan could be the difference between a declined application or a happy homeowner for any of those self-employed people over the last couple years. Number 2, continue to build those strong relationships. This is realtors with your lenders and lenders with your realtors and investors with all. Make sure that that relationship is exactly where you want to be and that you have confidence in their ability to create solutions to get to the closing table. Together, you create win-win scenarios for your clients. And 3, finally, don't be afraid to think big and act boldly. I think that that's the most important thing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you're not making mistakes, you're not growing. So take those bold steps, make the big leaps, and that is where growth is truly going to come from. As you know, I try to keep these short and sweet. So as we wrap up the first episode of 2025, I want to leave you the challenge to challenge yourself this year, to bring yourself incredible opportunities, be ready to adapt, innovate, and lead. This is your year to stand out, to grow, and to make a lasting impact. I'm so excited to see how you can use these tools and strategies and inspirations in each upcoming episode. We're going to dive deeper into creative financing, market trends, and ways to elevate your business. So stay tuned in and be ready to take action. So if this podcast has sparked an idea or inspired you to move forward, share with a friend, subscribe, and connect with me. Together, let's make 2025 the year we unlock our full potential. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next episode.